With normal wear and tear, your floors in your house are going to get some dirt on them. In case no one's ever showed you how to sweep, I'm going to show you how to do that. One thing that helps minimize crud on the floor is to have rugs by every door. The equipment you're going to need: a broom and a dustpan, or a vacuum cleaner. Depending on the type of vacuum cleaner you have, you're going to need a floor attachment. Start by getting everything off the floor. Once you've done that, you can sweep. If you're using the broom, you want to start in one corner and work your way to a pile somewhere in the middle. You are not doing slap shots in a hockey game. You want to do it and stop so you're not flinging the dust from here to there, and scoop it up in the dustpan, throw it in the garbage. If you're going to use a vacuum cleaner, then it's important that you have the ability to turn off the beater bar. This vacuum, the first setting is just suction, and the second one includes the beater bar. Then you just vacuum the whole floor without the beater bar. The best part about cleaning up is how good it feels after you're done. Always remember, you have a dad that loves you, and I will see you on the next video.